Hey guys, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be testing out Karina Garcia's DIYs, and this is actually part 2. I will link part 1 down below. A lot of you guys seem to like it, so I thought I would test out more of her DIYs in this video. And I'm sorry I'm not in my usual setup for my videos. I just really want to get this intro filmed so that I can upload this video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I upload new videos every single Saturday, but I will go back to uploading twice a week in the middle of May, so I'm only going to be uploading once a week for like the next couple of weeks, and then I will start uploading 2 and even 3 times a week. So lots of new videos are coming. Be sure to subscribe, and I'm sorry for the long intro. Let's just get started with the video. So the first DIY that I'm going to be testing out is butter slime. So for this, you need to add 3/4 of a cup of cornstarch. So I just had a 1/4 measuring cup, so that's why I added it in 3 times. And then I have to add 4/3 of a cup of shampoo, and I added this in 4 times because I just had a 1/3 measuring cup. And this seemed like a lot of ingredients to me. But yeah, this is what she said to add in the video, and then I just mixed this all together, and this was still super liquidy, so I added a lot more cornstarch in, just kept mixing it up. It was still super liquidy, so I added even more cornstarch, and I just kept doing this until it wasn't a super liquidy texture anymore. And then I thought I added too much cornstarch, so I put some into a bowl off to the side, and then I just kept mixing it up. And then you're supposed to add some baby oil or lotion. So yeah, I just added some lotion, and then I wanted to make it yellow for butter slime. You can make it whatever color you want, but I just added some yellow paint. And then I added even more cornstarch because it wasn't enough. So then the butter slime was ready, and it was honestly so satisfying. The only thing is that it was super dry because I put so much cornstarch in it, but I would say this works. So the second DIY is a crunchy slime stress ball. So for this, you just have to make slime. So this is the way I made it. I just added some glue, food coloring, and I also added contact solution or saline solution. I just got it from Target. I added a little bit at a time, just 1 teaspoon at a time, and mixed it together. You could definitely use liquid starch like she did in her video, but I just wanted to use saline solution because I've never made slime this way, and it actually worked pretty well. So then you're supposed to add a teaspoon of baking soda if you make slime with the saline solution, because this is kind of like what activates it. Because first I didn't add the baking soda and it wasn't working, but once I added that, it turned into slime, and this is what it looks like. I made the mistake of not making the slime sticky enough, because if you're gonna make crunchy slime, you need to make sure it's really sticky, because then the beads will just fall out of the slime, and that's what happened to me. So as you can tell, the beads just kept falling out, and yeah, it was kind of a fail. My slime was just not sticky enough, so if you make this, make sure that you make it super sticky. Also, I didn't have the same beads that everyone else uses for their crunchy slime videos on YouTube, but my Michaels ran out of them, so that's why. Then I just cut the top of a water bottle off, and I placed a balloon on that so that I could place the slime inside of the balloon. And honestly, this took so long. I didn't think it would be that hard, but it's because I didn't make the slime sticky enough, I believe. But eventually I had enough slime in there. I should have put more, but it was just like way too hard to get the slime inside of the balloon. And then I just tied the balloon, and this is what my slime stress ball turned out to look like. It was cool and fun to make, but definitely not perfect. So the last DIY that I'm testing out is kinetic sand. I did test kinetic sand in one of my last videos, my last testing Karina Garcia videos, but that didn't work out so well, so I'm testing out one of her other methods. So basically, I'm making slime. I'm using her slime method. I'm making slime the exact same way as the previous DIY, but I'm using clear glue instead. So I added clear glue, a tablespoon of baking soda, and then just some saline solution, and mixed that together, and then it turned into slime. And then yeah, I thought this looked really cool. I don't think I've made clear slime before. Maybe I have, I can't remember. So then I took a very small amount of the clear slime, placed it into a separate bowl, and then placed some sand into the bowl as well. And this was kind of just like sand slime, like Karina was saying in her video, so you do have to add water, and that's the next step. Once I added water, I kind of just mixed the slime and sand together, and it was kind of working, but there's one more ingredient you have to add, which is lotion or baby oil. Karina said that you could add lotion if you don't have baby oil, so I just added lotion, and this is what it turned out to look like. I think it's the right consistency, but I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, is this actually working? It's not like this consistency anymore. Like, this is the rest of the slime that I made. Actually, the lotion kind of just made it stickier. Like, it's sticking to my hands now, as you can tell. I feel like it kind of works, but not completely. If you guys have suggestions in the comments, please let me know. I mean, this is really fun to make, and I don't know, but I think the lotion kind of ruined it. But if I had baby oil, I think that would work a lot better. Should I try adding more water? Okay. Oh, I feel like the water kind of helped. Actually, I think I just ruined it. I think I added too much water because this is just like wet sand now. It's not moldable like kinetic sand. Yeah, well, I ruined that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. And like I said, be sure to subscribe if you're new. I would love for you to join the family. And I'm gonna go.